Hello guys, welcome to the Neighborhood Boys podcast.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Neighborhood Boys podcast, and then today we're gonna talk about some of the latest release song and also featuring the gospel artists and then hip hop artists and overall the EDM and all.
Yeah. And so hari ni ke podcast pun like conversation ni kecak katukan ni ngau Winiki, and then it was all about hip hop man in Northeast, and then orang tuman all the EDM, R&B and all iklan ni man katuan ni man hadok agon level wala poi tamgi artist mo te chwa poi kata ga bentak ko shout out kecik ya kama pentip kama shout out ye gin wo we prolog you la shooting video da bun video la shooting la ko shout out di pi ba la ko apiu shoot video la ne chondor la ne for any kind of festival la ne gini manong gini event kan em la teman GP contact ki hay ni number ni number the boy the description la em hi check the description đạo em hi là number and the Instagram link la đạo boy the contact kan gi and the way GP kelam ki lomba yang shooting video and all ini kami shout out ki kecang that's all the group la man holding star pixel lah
Holding Star Pixel.
Dan tercua tela ko shout out dia tu durna tu singing competition ko shout out kecik gini ga competition ko form Elan Madrid YT present ko man laga ni ga gospel sing competition lah
Gospel lain gospel.
Sa pipa jan ni dur rebo ni picakan gini dur antara patnya tu man like daong higi kata trik la stang gini do art powering they go the price let them he first prize, second prize, third prize with consolation, fourth and fifth. The last date yang ni competition la man gado ka le powering October. You check it out. La kwa pipcha ini go like sub the artist and all. Sia one show your talent mo.
There will be a lot of prize.
Yeah. Ete yo pi earn teman ye pi tit ye kia like for recording di handi kitchen kita ya la na. Nang sedang no. That's all.
Chop boy kita bertanam ko akram kejak Jepang ini this. We got ni mut apa Meghalaya no. Overall most rapper na they concentrate high this, but according to you na as a producer what's the reason behind that na? Kata kamu siang tu yang me.
Like man mau like who's the best or who's not na. Man compare hai gini like gini whether like kat ni mau gini competition and all. Like hip hop kamaong man like I don't know much about hip hop, but amarat pa maong baganta, but I don't know that much na. I know a little bit man that I can rap man ko man man tiba katukan ni na, but then all I know is that hip hop is all for is mainly a competition na. And how saying like if you walk on the road of a hip hop now the genre yang hip hop the man buka competition na teman when it's a competition then like you have to compete with everyone nang kamu like have a sport lah compete teman gini lah man like shout out gini gua man gua celur na celur ginong like yes and all for that man. It's a big promotion na paniki man it's a promotion man, they promote themselves by dissing na mana diss ki am tu man kamu promote ki man gibru la timit ki man example pat ma shout out ba kayo dap mi momo pat dap mi ti porwa dang piosnya yo
Musnya dap mi
MT sur dis no tu dis luti yang dis cantia rappers
actually nama klawe rappers bagi
ya DJ senang tak mana itu man lembakla I heard some news na man lembakla sa man ngutok wa man he didn't like mem expect man ada sedang mem muru yo dis ya waro man daong man hegini wachna film na man en kita bentai video wallet man kita dia suna dan metera jadi rappers la man tok dis waro teman mau sampai di bawah laman wasnya awal negi yang perlu mana orang gimana itu dia mana bakal lagi nih amal memperkara asin gini Negara icing temu yang tak man desu yo MCK na to is from East yang
East.
o yo tu setemu des man not to all the rappers na kamu na po respond kay Mike o Yanaki ini DCP pun harus respond
pun harus
tangwa respond back with yung o respond to yo MCK no MCK begitu gi I don't know what mujagang gitu
mujagang
I don't know mam tiba bahasa
siapa gila tu mujagang no si sini
teman nanti na man audience man seperaki no teman man is like a misunderstanding na teman yo kam tu example tau kam tu the desu yo man promote or man pakai ni man compare him man native product sedang menu ni macam
ni man
timit ke beruan man penderika grand supan do na teman like pat kau like for example now like ini gue dah like for Genie BK teman yo man mau ngata Genie is the best mau ngata he's not the king of Northeast or like man he don't deserve to be the king of Northeast like maybe he's the king of Northeast maybe he's not but that's according to like what people think no then according to his like bars and all tang man stang ga yung ni stang tisu the king of Northeast
kon
dapat man kan ni yo mi pun hana gidles dan man dua respono pun onyo no teman kan tu laman yung ori o pan o promote na like it's promotion example kamanin kamu minin ang abi tu yung Yal Homie yung Yal Homie tu Blade Miss yung itu respon yung big deal te yung big deal o ti deswara to man satu to man desuntok wa like wa point finger
diในภาพมาประกาศแค่itu kejak mut kat kami lyrics yang big deal padahal tak mut I didn't this you personally na teman highlight kamu mi lyrics nang tak introduce aku dalam album tu mia mut man promotion na promotion
man ya nabenta ke album yang ona teman as a hip hop artist teman that's like a great promotion
and we mut sket khatam nang this support mut hanit nang this based on the mut hip hop na kadang not me respond with wrong I'm the king of Northeast because as long as you have that confidence na I'm confident me pun me la chlor me em tuam not wrong han pia ngar nora manam not respond pun hete sestang wrong Tuhan pia kamu tu no talk about that một kejak sepangi Venom kami Venom lah kamu ongu
stop ya kamu kena ikut ni tu cek teman ni Venom tak udang release kami kasih bulat ini betul lah Venom ini tak ini udang release kia agak kat witering dan jangan bonusnya
dalam siapa pula tapi podcast sudah belajar Jepang especially for the song we told you to guess the name of the song but some of you comment actuallyแต่ไปวันนี้แต่ลิงก์น่ะบ่อยกะแต่ขจักหมดJepangที่Venom kamu ong big di lyrics mut tak this p I didn't this you I didn't piss you bang tema this is all about being who I am na now แต่มีกลัมมียี่เสียงมีเฮมแต่กีตาร์กีวินแล้วเสียงกีว่าไรหมดเป็นเบ็ดอยู่ซะthey have to accept the fact na it's not right neither it's not wrong tang wa em kam te confident em kam chlot mi na mut kaman yo respond mi yiri ni ba think about that anthem of Northeast kam wa di bok he even call out the rapper no big deal Krishna yo big deal of Krishna mut kam tu itulah mut he didn't diss them directly mut man kam reference kina but that's just a reference to the name
by tilang itu I don't care
I don't give a damn big deal am kasih mut itu penyo itu mut penyo kejak mata wa mut he proud of what he is naแต่คำกับปฏิkasih bulat naแต่mut big deal lah au di bok lah itu mut the showแต่มันเสียmutงานละkasihเละกีตาร์ว่าpopular mut ละกีตาร์ว่าชาวคันงานละชาวคันเนาะ
มันkamuมันนี่แหละมันชีมัน like compare overall lah India man why only mainland artist na ini mainland artist like from Mumbai Delhi itu Bombay man gitu man why man they are only them na ile do ki na man namha kamwa mau baik kamu shout out cek kami di lirik song big deal kamu tu gede sun itu kamu tu jadi teman tu ông man come to Northeast na tu ông man one to Northeast lah yang yo man bon talan no tu ông wa only mainland na tak tu Mumbai giwa like hip hop artist ko hoy na man come to
tak
Northeast.
kejak pang kami big deal mah kami kesal gitu lyrics yang aku tenin ami
Yellow
lang
Homie.
Yellow Homie mudok na it's not even Northeast me to Northeast me Japan
Why are you presenting
why are you
us now?
praising Northeast na just because you look like us doesn't mean you're us na Temud tak hui kamu mesti comment heavy we are Indian by accident kasih by blood menang tu na just like that temud yes itu is the society live it temud tak is the ni no tang ini te em begini pernah think about the accent the way we how we express ourselves to other no menang tu na itulah
Itu we are Indian by accident tak kasih pula dalam orang kita.
kamu pha tak wa report em hi ri ki kan na ha po shilong ma ta yoga haga plakat na ta we are Indian by accent kasi by blood na mut chao surong
Kah itu studio yang Yellow Homie lah na yung tu comment pa ya check ki comments din na and tu comment sangga we are Indian by accident and not is by blood. Mana tet na nang highlight tau yung kami ginat is man kam on sa kan ada no comment begini mainland man they focus only on mainland artist tama bilin lagi i em
Bil tak dari artis memperkat Hamud think of society as a whole nang may perkat mi pot Nagaland tip ki wata kan Nagaland belong to India they flip card
tama
em tu we put order there then what happened is that review saya there man review why don't you guys deliver in Nagaland they respond to sorry we didn't do it outside India but that's the main man discriminate ha kana American India ya so let's go back to the artists
ta tu dia ram tu dia kelam abang mo tu Jepang itu ideas man it's a nice question na kelima itu nama highlight tak like for now teman dapat bahan Northeast teman like the cool the mi arena gini
this
kama tahu mox MOKSESH dia tu gitu
okay something
tu dia yang komen tu suruh kasih block nen tahu kama tahu lyrics yang big itu na I'm not here for this nor here for this something like that yung comment with that lyrics book na how do that's what I hear that's what I want to hear right now highlight tau mainly kat ni tau this bad man check back kama Nagaland man kang tu big kid from Tripura man new so view I don't remember his name tu check amin now Moko Ozo kama something like that na dapat Yellow Homie big deal mana tak nang yung demi ada gina kita terus teman kata
TV sekejap mut Jepang dis nang mafait baham gi mut waro ya artis wa di nit ki rapper hip hop nowadays we tak main focus kenang dis ki personally na te to yo ham gi la king of Northeast mut I'm the king of Northeast now mut am dis yo tu personally na tapai gao dami this way of time na what's the reason behind this way yo tu misal MCK kam yo tu this way MCK tang wa what's the reason behind and permit wi na mut kini rapper gentia mut this personally yo tu tang wa permit wi la atau kwa respond kita go pon na respond ta bon mut ula tip mit gi bro na
sama kan itu kom le man like Chini and Dami ma le Dami am tu nang man Twitter like kam os nang man like happy applause yo na le man that's the man yirkom lyrics man dari app ni lyrics teman it's like sama macam app ni iklan atau sudah ban that people tak yirkom le angel man it's hip hop na in hip hop it's all fair no highlight tak it's a competition teman have compete benar teman kata na man at the end of the day teman dap ni teman yirkom le orang menang jangan na
that actually that actually mut proof na ta ngachlur kan ni no chlur mi na mi kemana Pak sini memang daun, memang lah.
Sekitar kami kelam sepang dap mi kecing. Dan shout out di latest song yang olah orang release tu. Tapi mana shout out Suri ni no. It's not that we know them mah, abang wah like they are our friend or. Shout out di yang i dah yo timit lagi lock lane do vlog lane dari ya taxi. Timit dia orang mi like we never in contact mah. Teman ni shout out gini sort megi big bag or Arista what to will I don't remember his name but we'll put the link in the description check and gini suruh ki
you wanna short it like it is summer 2020 in the beach all this trying to spread wide in get it tell me AZ are you
dalam resnya itu suruh like one thing I love about the song nang tak yung arista his melody na satu relin satu
này cái lắm ý cái môn này nó abi sur một ông ấy mình là đã áp mình thì sur bách mình ông mình tolerance his voice is almost the same
melody
melody almost the same mình soft hơn từ một tăng vi là một mình nó rập nó take it to another level das mình là lan cái voice Devi
shout out your object tu dan terang yeah we are talking about song yang Kasih Blood yang ada release hisur teman di bawah senyal let do check it out you senyal let support them by keep on checking them out
keep sharing
keep on sharingแต่ย่อยกลับมัน like กำลังพิจารณา hip hop is a competition แต่มันพี่ละกี audience ละมันได้ this แต่มัน like you don't have to take it the wrong way นะ and you have to take it as like you have to choose who's the best นะแล้วให้ละต่อกี่compete กี่ practice แต่มัน defense นะ
with this day sur I'm trying to see by dream this to cuma
tapi example yang iklan panggil foreign mah ceng oh join Lucas for Torilens kan mau itu diski lead itu pun diski totally sur diski nang respon lagi nah at the end of the day celok kena pakai ni ada profession lang gitu
saya keyboard studio to this keyboard what's inside the studio mode goes in studio na i po studio mo na po studio no tang review to best pa to ba một ngamit no ki idang jadi si but this is sur studio ngamit okay na just like football player na
teman tu kama like wa promote lagi pana ki na like they promote each other na kau Torilens promote channel Lucas promote Torilens man itu man dapat the unuksar man kam tu jadi skill like they promote each other na man hadu opo level hadu ter man channel Lucas adu cha nominate ho grab ni yo method buat dapat ke des teman we dak baru Torilens tu high lyrics yang tu I don't remember first disc merit second disc manang man ma like Chris Brown like that man that yarap na da collaboration tu imidam la tak pampo no pampo tu kami man I will help man ngapun po me segera mi dalam hamsab man cerita lirik kang kita sana teman terus dah aku teman we nominate teman imidam mina teman kata
I bon set sini bro man this no bon set remember this skill lyrically no personally attack
ang kamu orang tu kelam ngamen ni cik teman orang man this is not a this is a terrorist attack
that's actually if you don't see check Tupac hit him up there's one comment this is not a this is a terrorist attack
Tupac mare
Tupac tu hit him up na tu this OBG mom na TV na buat tahu TV
this is not a this is a death trend
this is
tahu tu teman ada kelam cakap gitu like hip hop it's like for dissing and all we talk about Genie talk about Kasih Blood Yal Home and then Dabni mainly dan mi nem hai le to like tu jing le yang Dabni teman chana to pangku
mah po persentia on kong nanti na
Jantia
po jantia what the whole jantia
teman shout out man ya kecing celur mesin ke yang me terpen ni podcast man shout out mo man ha appreciate na man kecing celur mesin yang me emerson di gini artis VR leo empat ki teman ini percaya mo te ta kama ada iklan ni te kecik teman shout out lagi ini semua
first will be shout out to Evat dang the British Mail
yang sekarangเป็นเมจิกนี่สุดองEvat to release from last week ตังว่ามันแทมาวิหารสเก็ตกว่า shout out to Evat ki selama and to renak ni production like maybe leader yung advice nga na yum hay ni gilis memde yang ide sen ni bro memde yang ide wa MAE busur the choose by kat wa yo latest song dua rak release the choose by antara the book by gi release dan te promote by advice nga kita man like man hap work with that work like that shout out to Evat for the advice and for everything thanks bro dapat gini podcast thank you so much and then
and for the song name is all of that shout out to Meban Job Fit Penban and Josie nang Aisha dan murid jantai sur mud something about ladies na.
It's a love song that
Then mud tak na. Am ni perti caman atrak na. Aisyah.
it's a classy love song that haven't been about Bang Hai.
And next, Chelsea Blood Venom. But please to appreciate them for what they did. And this is support them. That's what they need. And also was Kendor, Janam Rata. That's one what he was featuring with Sean Bor.
Yeah, he's one of the underrated artists. He's from Long Island.
Ni bao kau was Kendor that's get mud. Bonum just now.
Manapet na but he's one of the underrated artists and I like his melody, his beats are very good. Do check him out. Or man kau DJ like Kaigo type DJ,
Kaigo.
Marshmallow. Man, do check him out. Bang Hai, you won't regret this song.
And this one is the most popular song in West Jaintia and actually in Meghalaya as of now. What's the name of the song? Yes, that's right. Tang Mopi. Shout out to Kentilin and DJ Vanshan and also Kong Smi Kong Fiang.
For doing the great job.
The video was
For making-
awesome.
For making like the giant job. Feel proud na for
Sejak mus pang tisur dong, magawa yung kamyo mo meet na tisur. Bốn họ anh thẻ một yep phải là nó rồi cầm rep nó mờ như này đằng em thôi được lộ nhà bệnh mà bệnh ba mình video pernah mình chua với cái này nó mình hay rem tu mình tắt cái này nè còn mình rem cái này yang chỗ rem lagi teman rem I don't care nè sắp
to remake pasal.
remake pasal we
His name is very hard to pronounce. To bahasa
there's an
to
edge
pronounce.
there's an edge in his name so really hard to pronounce thì mình phảiมีคำเรียมน้องมันต้องเอาเงินเดือนสับตัวนั้นมันเรียมโอ้ the confident นะ he has in him แต่ดามันยกสกไอ้ที่กับวิดีโอกับมันนะ and next is Banchan Tawaner this is one of the shortest song
Iya, they had
Banchan and next is Banchan and the name of the song is Tawaner we le ini sudah tuan hai and also this song is dedicated especially to his girlfriend
Maybe not.
maybe
I don't know.
tang
You said it confidently, man.
I'm not confident mà tao based in lyrics nóng thì you know direct way it's for her tao có dần là lệ lọc tao này chẳng ai đi miss nào thế qua nào mi thằng này rồi lại chắc cả okay next is AMPA Arsam not Road dia betul tulis semua yang Arsam
Man,
not
tes
Road
man kecil apa man siapa man kita pikir apa gini yang best ini man lihat tahu besok tahu asap nak pun mereka cepet man asap nah like bro asap tu nam man ni asap am nak itu roh nam asap kan man yang kait pop kat kita so
don't be selfish ma throw them away if you're being selfish and also Young Rick this is his one of actually the underrated
bisa
artists
kasih rap to guys.
he's from Boy Young Rick and
Yeah, he's underrated ha. His song nong is mostly meaningful na.
Talk about his first song like Hindi Banana
Hindi
movie
na.
now and there's some other
Yung
songs
Snake na.
his song has a lot of meaning tang mga mo ngi do stang podcast tawa bullshit ngi suru wa em ding stan suru meaning na hiwap
Oh, na tambah kau tu yung Young Rick nga ngayo rap. Oh,
gitu no tawa yung man
Kapal lang.
kau only one the best thing mo gini nang po boy na so they really support
Kitali gina.
tak am chi ni am chi
Isa ni tanam.
Siski telingin yang seperti kelan na i telingin yang kelan hide
Iin ni nong yung manaku we bruku strong nong we pa ko.
như lại cùng
Jangan mai, jangan. Lem je bang jangan lah. Lem sport na sama.
okay guys that's for the Young Rick and then make sure you check him out okay he's really good thì ni sudah menjing tunjuk mah thôi phải đi chừng một là is George Shut Up and Adrenaline
Ya, ada lem.
Tinja IP bunch of
Banshan Tawaner ka kencak ni.
so the name of the song is Wing and then Missing You
You check it out guys.
next is Amy O Chua Harper Thai is the name of the song Harper Thai in this world thì mình artist sur lại một phát bằng nó và mình chỉ lyrics bahasa Inggris mà là Harper Thai nó hot song trong ông cầm cái survey mình asam nak cerot mình ngap na Ya rap VAV. That's what the most important thing as a human.
Rồi bạn, aku ni for. Shout out to One Job Thieu Pilong Bakerpang Surniamu Temai that's a gospel song mo featuring Laway dan natara Mayo Bahaki and Meba Nidon Yukpa Beshisha Mayo Bahaki sorry Mayo Bahaki and Meba Nidon Yukpa Beshisha Sakang pun pernah apa ini itu toh.
Run like this macam.
And then shout out to Ashira Broken Together. Check and like he's from
There's a
Long.
video also. He just released a video.
Yeah, I want to talk about this one. Chelsea Rambai. She covered one song alone by Helen. If I'm not.
Yeah, Helen.
Yeah. Do check her out, guys. Wow, her voice, her rap, like, and she's an upcoming artist. Do check her out. We'll put her link in the description. And then next, last but not the least, yung KDM featuring Iba and Cheryl. The Blessings, episode the Blessing. Do check them out, guys. Wala giling na po in description. Dan hamsa per video myo ibu ini na highlight tawang. Ada cerong ri suka pun ada gitu kata ini teman lerbu ini lah cerong ri ini video. Tangwa next Monday we will release this latest song. Maybe ini latest song. Ini kurang dapat pernah itu release heavy dan ini video. Ya cacat ke cendrawan release ini. Dan nanti iterani.
Hey guys, as you can hear us that we're talking about this, and then Venom, that's the new releasing track of Cassie Blood, and most of the latest song that released by a lot of artists from Cassie Gentia. And before we end this, we want to thank you so much for your support. That's the main thing. And also do share this podcast so that others will know about us, and also we can help them be known.
Do your thing, show some love, and then
Peace out.